This is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-256T-UP-TERM, and it is stainless, has a stainless surface mount enclosure. The customer is going to be using it in hospital. It also has a remote start, stop, and reset switch. It's stainless with a weatherproof powder-coated back box. And they will be connecting it with seal tight. We're just for demonstration purposes showing them wired up. So I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. And it's going through the check right now and making sure all the digits and segments are operating properly. When you do that and power up, I'm going to go ahead and start it. Just show you the functions of it, and start, stop, and reset. And it is hundredths, tenths, seconds, and minutes. And I believe it will go ahead and shift over. Is that right? So it shifts over to hours, minutes, and seconds, and then roll over. Let's start. We lose the upper of the colon and just goes to the single decimal point. Seconds, tenths, hundredths. And this is, they are colored switches, green, red, and black. And as you can see, the stainless comes with these cable glands. Box comes with, handy box comes with a cable gland. We ship it with caps, and that way the customer can put in seal tight if they want, or they can use the cable glands. This is a oil resistant 110 volt cord that we have in it right now, but they're going to hardwire it. Go ahead and stop it and then reset. And it is wall mountable or desktop mountable. As you can see, it has two knockouts in the back, and we provide foam to go over the back to seal it once those have been used, if the customer desires to do so. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital. It's a DC-256T-UP-TERM with a remote start, stop, and reset switch, stainless steel enclosure. Thank you.